In this video, we are going to talk about signing in and a little bit about the profile on the Android version of the Marquette County Veterans App. So first here on this opening page, as soon as you open the app, there is a request help link at the bottom there. That's in case you're having a problem signing in. If you tap that, it is going to ask you, bring up this message. You just say yes if you're having issues. It's going to ask you at the bottom which mail app you want to use if you have multiple, and mine is the default to Google, so it's bringing me to my Google email here now. And then you just follow the directions and send that email, and someone will get in contact with you. Okay, other than that, if we're going to sign in, we hit this button with the Google symbol on it, and it's going to ask you for your Google login information. Mine is automatically in there, so it'll just sign me in. And that should bring you to a page that looks like this. So on this page, we have a few options. At the top here, there is 3 dots, and if you tap on them, you can have access to the privacy policy, or there is a link that will bring you back to the email to provide feedback if there's any features on the app that you think could be improved, or if you see that there could be a need for a new feature. That would be a way to let us know about that. At the bottom of the screen, you can see that big red button that says In Crisis tab here. If you tap there, if you're having a hard time in your life, there are separate resources that you can get access to here based on what the problem may be. You just tap on one of these buttons right here and hit call, and it will connect you to someone who can help you with that situation. Okay, next up, we're gonna edit our profile when we first get logged in here. So we're gonna tap this button that says edit profile, and that's gonna bring you to a page that looks like this. It's gonna have a bunch of different boxes for us to check. This is all just information for us to get to know the veterans in our community and on our app better, so we can better serve you. So in this general info, we're just going to check what applies to you. And then we're going to go to this birth year section. Just put in your birth year with this slider. And then residence, just the township that you currently reside in. Pick one and then hit the back button on your device, like mine down at the bottom. Under periods served, you're going to be able to pick the periods that you served in as a veteran. If you were in service during Iraq and Afghanistan, anything since then, Gulf War would be your option, as it is for Gulf War and anything after. You can pick more than one, as also with the services, so the branch of service that you were a part of, you can pick more than one if that applies to you. Then we're going to go to organizations. This is various veteran organizations that you could be a part of. You can select more than one again. Then we have the interests section. And the interest section is for us to get to know why you're going to be using our app, why you're interested in it. So there's a few options there. And then the connection section is just how you are connected to the veterans community. After you're done filling out all of these categories, there's a save button at the bottom. You just tap that. You should be good to go. You'll be ready to start moving through the tabs and using the app.